Well, if you took part in the eclipse watch party at the Children's Museum of Indianapolis nearly 2 weeks ago, the Marion County Public Health Department now warns that you may have been exposed to the measles. Our Logan Gay spoke with a doctor about what you should know.
Thousands of people flocked to Indianapolis to watch the solar eclipse. Some of them watched it at a special event at the Children's Museum of Indianapolis. And according to the Marion County Public Health Department, one of those people had measles. And Dr. Eric Yancey says this can be serious if you're not vaccinated, especially for young children.
Measles is extremely serious and can result in certain complications such as meningitis, such as pneumonia, and as well as dehydration in certain situations, and also in some of the extreme situations, even death.
Dr. Yancey says the measles are more than just a few bumps.
If you're in a room with somebody for a few minutes that has active measles, you have about a 90% chance of getting it if you're not immunized. So it's extremely contagious.
The health department says anyone vulnerable to measles who was exposed to the virus will likely notice symptoms before April 22nd. Those symptoms could appear as late as April 29th. Dr. Yancey says it's important to be on the lookout for symptoms.
You get a pretty severe and hacking cough. You get a significant runny nose. And then the other thing that's really very common with measles is a very significant red eyes or conjunctivitis.
Dr. Yancey says he hasn't seen a case of the measles since he was a resident in the 1970s.
When we see vaccine preventable illnesses reoccurring, it's always disappointing. The immunizations are the best approach to many preventable diseases.
A statement from the Children's Museum says they take the health and safety of visitors, staff, volunteers, and community seriously and are following the lead of local health departments. They say they're working now to alert people who were at the event. So far, there have been no confirmed cases of measles reported in Marion County this year. In Indianapolis, Logan Gay, 13.